Hey there, Pre-Apprentices. My name is Jeff Scott. I'm one of the outreach specialists for the Western States Regional Council of Carpenters. And first off, I want to say congratulations. You've taken the first step towards a career as a union carpenter. And since you're already pre-apprentices, you've got a head start. This program is your next step towards landing a career as a union carpenter.
I'm Rosie Saniceros and am a boots instructor for the Western States Carpenters Training Fund. I became a union carpenter one day when I was actually looking at one of my old friends' paycheck. I started looking at his paycheck and I was like, I can do this too.
My name is Leon Thompson and I'm an outreach instructor with the Carpenters Pre-Apprenticeship program. I was working for a moving company and I moved a business agent for the cement masons and started working for a company called Bowmail Construction and saw the carpenters building Pachanga, and I was like, I want to learn how to do that. I don't want to be a finisher, and switch from being a cement mason to a carpenter, and that was my start as being a union carpenter. It's a 4-year apprenticeship program, and we have several different crafts within the Carpenters Union. So the best thing I would say is try to find out what craft you want to get into, because they're all different.
The wages, obviously, we're always trying to go up, never come down. And our benefits are going to be our health, our dental, and our vision plans, which are great. But the union carpenters, they earn while they learn, and they have to go to school every 3 months and sometimes every 6 months, depending on the craft that they choose. But not only do they go to school and get more knowledge, they actually get accredited by our affiliated colleges that we have in the area. So we're not only are we not paying out of our own pockets to go to college, but we're actually earning those credits as well. And we're actually getting our raises every time that we come to school or that the apprentices go to school.
Anybody can walk into any one of our local union halls and tell the staff behind the window that they're interested in becoming a union carpenter, and they can ask for the where's the work list, and they can go out and solicit themselves and try to get hired. But we do also, like I said, have the Boots and Brothers Keeper program, where the only thing they would have to do is scan the QR code and it'll set them up for the next boot camp. They have to fill out the information and it'll set them up for the next boot camp.
If you want to learn more and take the next step, scan the QR code and connect with us. Don't wait. The industry is booming and skilled carpenters are in high demand. This is your chance to be part of something big, something that changes lives and betters your community. And we can't wait to see you here in our apprenticeship program.